Hello dear friends, this is a brief video tutorial on how to buy the Pro package in CryptoRobotics terminal. In order to pay for the Pro package, you need to click on the red icon in the upper left corner of the terminal. Then we choose the package that we want to buy and click on the Select button. Here we choose the period of subscription that we want. For example, let's choose 3 months. Here we can choose the payment method. If you choose crypto, you can pay either in Bitcoins or in Ethereum or in USDT. Let's consider the option with Bitcoin. We copy the address to which we have to send Bitcoins and go to the exchange website or to any other wallet where you store your cryptocurrency. We will use the Binance as an example. We find Bitcoin in our wallet and click Withdraw. Here we paste the wallet address that we copied from the terminal. Then we select the desired network. In the terminal, we remember the required amount that we have to transfer. Please note that we are adding a network fee to this amount. In our case, this fee is 5 10,000ths of Bitcoin. We see that the resulting amount is equal to required amount. Then we click Withdraw and go to the terminal. Here we need to enter the transaction hash or the wallet address into this line and click Subscribe. Now let's consider the option with Ethereum. We copy the address in the same way and paste it to the appropriate line and select the required network. Then we enter the required amount of Ether that we have to send. Do not forget about the commission, which is 0.3000 of Ether. We check the resulting amount and click Withdraw. We go back to the terminal and enter the transaction hash or the wallet address and click Subscribe. Next option is USDT. We choose TRC20 network since it takes lower commission and copy the address. We paste this address in the Binance exchange and also choose TRC20 network or Tron network. We enter the same amount of USDT that we need to send and add $1 to this amount as a network fee. We check the resulting amount and click Withdraw. We enter the transaction hash or the wallet address and click Subscribe in the same way. Finally, let's consider the option with Robo tokens. There are two options. If you already have Robo tokens in your internal wallet, you can use it for payment. Select Withdraw Robo from the wallet in the terminal and click Subscribe. If you have Robo tokens in your external wallet, you can choose the second option and transfer your Robo tokens to this address. In order to find and send Robo tokens, use the instructions from the link below this video. Then we enter the transaction hash or the wallet address from which we paid and click Subscribe in the same way. As soon as the system receives payment, the button turns green. It usually takes less than 20 minutes. That's all. This was a video tutorial on how to buy Pro package in the CryptoRobotics terminal. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.